How to download images from Google on Android. This tutorial shows you how to save any image straight to your gallery from a search. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. From there, go to google.com and tap Images at the top to switch to image search. After that, type in what you're looking for and tap Search. At this point, browse through the results and tap on the image you want. Following this, tap on the enlarged image to open the full preview. From here, long press on the image itself. At this stage, a menu will pop up with options. Tap Download Image. Once downloaded, the image saves directly to your gallery, and you can find it in your Photos app under the Downloads or Pictures folder. If long pressing doesn't bring up that option, tap the three dots at the top right of the browser instead, then tap Download Page, which saves a copy of the currently viewed image. That's how you download images from Google on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!